Hi, I've got the October 2018 LookFantastic beauty box to show you. So I did look at spoilers and I completely forgot what they were by the time the box got here. So I do remember that the box was green in color and this is what it looks like. So inside it says Mowangata. Sorry, I'm probably butchering the pronunciation. The reflection of moonlight on water. And then you have the beauty box magazine, as well as this month's LUK magazine, which probably advertises the L Advent calendar as well. I've got that on the way, so do stay tuned for that. I'll have the link and a discount code for that one in the description box below. It's a very exciting Advent calendar. And the products inside are, quite different from the other Advent calendars that we've seen this year. So, where is it? Well, it's not there. I thought they'd advertise the LUK Advent calendar, definitely. Now there's something else. Oh, there is a little sample of Chanel Gabrielle perfume in here. Not a sample, rather, one of those sniffers. Let's see what it smells like. Very subtle, very nice actually. Not floral, not cloyingly sweet. Quite nice. I like this. I do not like Chanel No. 5. That said, I love Coco Mademoiselle. Gabrielle will probably be my next perfume. Ah, there it is. I knew that it would be somewhere in there. So that is a sneak peek of the L Advent calendar. So, let's get to the box itself. Now, before that, let's find out what the theme is. The theme is Hidden Gems. October, as we start to suffer from post-summer blues, this month's box is all about embracing positive energy and self-care through beauty. Get ready to pamper yourself with 6 amazing products that will not only leave you shining on the outside, but pampered on the inside too. In this magazine, we'll be exploring the power of crystals, hidden gems around the world, a guide to sparkling makeup, and an exclusive Q&A with celebrity makeup artist Bryony Blake. Hidden gems, I hope that means that the same old products that we've seen from the same old brands are not included in here, and that there are different brands and different products. Spoiler for next month's box, liquid eyeliner from Mellow, felt tip, very nice. I prefer felt tip eyeliner, so I'm looking forward to this one. Now, the box itself, let's see what's inside. Very different from previous boxes that we've seen recently, very nice. First up, Monoskin Line Smoothing Night Renewal Complex. This is how many mils? It doesn't even say. How many mils is this? Good heavens, 30 mils, generous size. What does it do? Refresh and rejuvenate your skin while you sleep. This lavish treatment ensures you wake up brighter with an improved natural elasticity of your skin. Containing marine collagen and polysaccharides, the complex revitalizes your complexion while fine lines are smoothed out, firmness is restored, and signs of aging prevented. Nice. Next, this is a spoiler that we saw last month, a Hava Mineral Body Lotion, and this is 40 mils. All right for traveling. I like getting body lotions in beauty boxes and Advent calendars because, I moisturize all over twice a day, so I'm always running out of these. And this contains Dead Sea water and skin-friendly minerals such as magnesium, calcium, and potassium. Right, next thing is Pry Ageless Throat and Décolletage Cream. Right, I haven't come across this brand before. And, I'm now, I realize that I've neglected my throat all these years. And I'm trying to sort of make up for it. Good to have a dedicated throat moisturizing product. So this, what's special about it, contains shea butter, so it's not going to go anywhere near my face. It also contains mulberry and grapeseed extracts. So, looking forward to trying this one out. I mean, it's not a boob cream as such, it's a throat and décolletage cream, so good for that. And the next is Dr. Lip Elderberry Lip Tint. Right, I've got the elderberry lip tint. I'm a huge fan of Dr. Lip. They make amazing lip balms. And this is full-sized, I believe. 8 mils. Very nice. Again, always running out of lip balms. Send me more. I'm leaving the best for last, so we're going to go in with the Talika Bubble Mask Bio Detox next to sheet mask. Recently, they sent another bubble mask. You know, you sort of press all over the packaging to activate the bubbles, and then you apply it, and it sort of foams up like mad on the face above the sheet mask, and there's a lot of tingling. It was a lot of fun to use, and it left my skin much brighter post-usage. So, no, this is slightly different. You don't have to press the mask. You unfold the mask and lay it on a dry face. A fine, dense foam will form by itself. All right, you don't have to press it, just so by itself. Best product for last, Pixie Fresh Face Blush. Good. Good. We haven't seen makeup and broken. It's broken. This is shade Beach Rose. It's sealed and it's broken. You can see that it's broken. There's a lot of powder there. That is a crying shame. The one product I was very excited about, the one makeup product in here, and it's broken. Boo! Big boo. Normally, when I contact LookFantastic saying that something inside has broken, they send the product immediately, send me a replacement, which is nice. So I will be contacting them today, and hopefully they will redress this situation. So 6 products inside. I really like the curation of brands and products this time. Very different from recent boxes that we've seen. Lots of repetition was there, and I was very disappointed, as you can see in my previous unboxing. And if I don't see another Eve Lom cleanser for the next 2 years, it still wouldn't be too soon, you know. I mean, too many of those, and too many Lipstick Queen lipsticks, and too much male and tail shampoo as well. So it would be nice to get a little breather from those repeats and, you know, have different products in there, because LookFantastic has a massive array of brands and retailers on their website. So there is no excuse to keeping on sending the same product over and over and over and over again. I know that the brands contribute product to beauty boxes and advent calendars. Even so, you know, I'm sure that they can negotiate. Other companies in a position to negotiate, particularly after quite a few months of repetition. You know, I'm kind of getting the feeling that Eve Lom doesn't actually sell that cleanser at all, because they're busy giving out samples to everybody, so nobody has to buy. I myself have about a dozen now. So, nice box. Very pleased with the products. It wasn't LookFantastic's fault that the blush broke. These things happen. That said, I'm sure they will redress the situation if I contact them on their Twitter. I will keep you posted about that. So LookFantastic ships worldwide. Per box is £15. With a long-term subscription, you pay less. I think I pay about $11.25 or so per box. Not bad at all. Spoiler for next month, there's a full-sized liquid eyeliner. And the Advent calendar is on its way from LookFantastic. I have a discount code in the description box below, as well as discount codes for quite a few other Advent calendars as well. So very excited about that. They've started shipping. There's quite a lot of full-size makeup in there, including 2 whole palettes, one for the eyes and one for the face. So very excited about that. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up, and please do hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.